and plunge your feet you into deep searching undrowned. Never know what you get until you're in. You think it's love, so you smile, she gives you a grin. While you put yourself in a hard situation. You're so weak, she's so strong, come on. What do you stand for? No more, I rise with my family. Let me break it down for you, you know that's actually real love, true soul. They never want to see the brother going out to control me off track. No can I get back, but it's time to man up, get it together and start to face the facts. Time is ticking, no mess it around and on my victory. Stand up and on my sitting, yes now. Said I'm leaving, yeah. Don't worry about me, no. To judge me, you never wanted to be part of family. You always want to go party and drinking, and then you go and complain about the money. Up in my head I'm thinking it's kind of funny, manipulated by the words and smiles so innocent and so lovely. No, no, I can't do this no more. No, why you so quick to judge me? You never wanted to be part of family. Always want to go party and drinking, then you go and complain about the money. Up in my head I'm thinking it's kind of funny, manipulated by the words and smiles so innocent and so lovely. No, no, I can't do this no more. No, 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 no. I try to call you when you don't sound like you're down. It just tears my heart in pieces. Now I'm looking like the clown. Why do I feel this way? Is your love too fake, so fragile I can break? Now that I'm leaving, I just can't wait. Yeah. To judge me, you never wanted to be part of family. You always want to go party and drinking, and then you go and complain about the money. Up in my head I'm thinking it's kind of funny, manipulated by the words and smiles so innocent and so lovely. No, no, I can't do this no more. No, why you so quick to judge me? You never wanted to be part of family. Always want to go party and drinking, then you go and complain about the money. Up in my head I'm thinking it's kind of funny, manipulated by the words.